Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. We are talking about furniture buying mistakes that everyone makes and, of course, how you can avoid them. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home design tips and tricks. Mistake number 1. Not measuring your space properly. It's so easy to fall in love with a piece of furniture in the store, only to find out it doesn't fit through your door or in your room. Always measure your space, including doorways, hallways, and where the furniture will go. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the style and color scheme of your home. It's crucial to choose pieces that complement your existing decor. A beautiful modern sofa might look out of place in a rustic-themed room. Mistake number 3. Sacrificing comfort for style. That sleek, minimalist chair might look great, but if it's uncomfortable, you won't enjoy using it. Always test out furniture in the store to ensure it's comfortable for everyday use. Mistake number 4. Overlooking the importance of lighting. The lighting in your home can drastically affect how furniture looks. Make sure to consider how natural and artificial light will impact your new furniture pieces. Mistake number 5. Opting for cheap furniture. While it might be tempting to go for the least expensive option, cheap furniture often doesn't last long. Invest in quality pieces that will stand the test of time. Mistake number 6. Forgetting to consider fabric and material durability. If you have kids or pets, you'll want to choose materials that can withstand a bit of wear and tear. Look for durable fabrics that are easy to clean. And there you have it, folks. 7 common furniture buying mistakes and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your biggest furniture buying mistake, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.